Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do split transition on CapCut Mobile. So guys, here I have already imported some clips to my CapCut project. And if you want to apply the split transition, the first thing we have to do is clicking on the transition button right here. Then we're going to search for the split transition. You can scroll all the way to the right on this part like this until you find the split category, and you just need to tap on the split category, and you're going to select the split transition that you want to apply to your clip. You can select split 3, split 4, and split 2. And for example, I'm just going to select this one. Then we can adjust the duration right here. You can go right to increase the duration, and you can go left to decrease the duration. You can also apply this transition to all your clips. You just need to click on apply to all right here if you want to apply this transition to all your clips. Then after you're done, you just need to click on the check mark button, and as you can see that the transition has been applied to our clip, and we just need to play the video to take a look at the result. Okay, and this is the split transition. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply split transition on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.